Hey everybody, I'm Mark Stover with Perma-Column. We are the manufacturers of one of the most innovative products that's in the marketplace today. It's called the Perma-Column Precast Concrete Deck Post. It's a pre-made, precast concrete post that replaces wood in the ground, and it replaces all other alternatives for permanent foundation systems because of a precast concrete column. This here is a 6x6, 48-inch Perma-Column concrete precast deck post. It is designed to take the weight load in the ground and keep the treated wood above the ground. Why is that important? We don't want wood in the ground because wood in the ground rots. So what builders do is they take this brochure with their permit application and they send it in to the inspector house, and the inspectors go, "This is the coolest thing I've ever seen." This brochure was designed for education purposes, but it was also designed for inspectors to really get a true understanding of the Perma-Column product. What's interesting about this deck, it's actually built on a hill that slides down into a lake. It's a perfect application for us, and the builder talked to the consumer who said, "This is really what I want. I want a very innovative product. You can build a deck foundation in a day. It's easy, it's simple, there's no mixing, there's no mess." Perma-Column Precast Concrete Deck Post. Build better, build stronger, build to last.